Hi everyone, welcome back to the Beyond the Futures channel. If you're passionate about artificial intelligence, crypto, robotics, and all things futuristic, you're in the right place. Today's episode is absolutely packed. We'll unpack OpenAI CEO Sam Altman's latest announcements about the new open source models, upcoming ChatGPT updates, including hints of a major upgrade, possibly GPT-5. We'll also explore ElevenLabs' new 11 Music, a revolutionary AI music generator cleared for commercial use. This isn't just news, it's a glimpse into the future of creativity and productivity. Get comfortable, grab your favorite beverage, and let's dive deep. Artificial intelligence is advancing at a breakneck pace. In just a few years, we've moved from language models that could barely hold a conversation to systems that can reason, code, compose music, and even generate videos with audio. The companies leading this charge, OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, xAI, and ElevenLabs, are reshaping how we work and create. When Sam Altman teases new models and features, it's not hype, it's a sign that another leap in capability is on the horizon. Understanding these changes early gives us a chance to adapt, experiment, and stay ahead of the curve. The most recent flagship model, GPT 4o, is multimodal. It can process text, images, and audio, and powers advanced features like interactive voice mode. OpenAI offers different plans: a free tier with limited access, a plus tier for individuals, a pro tier for power users, and team and enterprise plans for organizations. We'll break those down later, but first, let's talk about the news. On August 5th, Sam Altman posted on X that OpenAI has a lot of new stuff for you over the next few days. Something big but small today, and then a big upgrade later this week. In a recent interview, Altman shared that he tested an unreleased model, believed to be GPT-5, and it answered a complex question perfectly, leaving him feeling useless. Those remarks set the AI world buzzing. Could this week be the week we get GPT-5? While we wait for the big upgrade, OpenAI has already released something unprecedented: open-weight models. The bigger model can run on a single NVIDIA GPU, and the smaller version runs on a consumer laptop with 16 gigabytes of memory. It's the first time since GPT-2 that OpenAI has opened its model weights. So why is this important? First, it allows developers to run state-of-the-art reasoning models locally without relying entirely on cloud APIs. This can reduce latency and cost while giving researchers transparency into how the model works. Second, although these open models are less capable than OpenAI's closed models, they can delegate complex tasks to cloud models via a built-in tool calling mechanism. This hybrid approach balances openness with access to more powerful resources. Third, releasing under the Apache 2.0 license makes it easy for companies to build commercial products without worrying about royalties. Altman admitted earlier this year that OpenAI had been, quote, on the wrong side of history regarding open source. Facing pressure from Chinese and US policymakers to open more technology, OpenAI is clearly recalibrating. For hobbyists and developers, GPT OSS is a game changer. Imagine building a chatbot that can run offline or be embedded in a device like a robot or a voice assistant. Because it can call out to more capable closed models, you get a blend of autonomy and power. However, there are trade-offs. OpenAI's own benchmarks show that GPT OSS hallucinate more than their closed models. So while they're great for experimentation, they aren't yet replacements for GPT 4o or the upcoming flagship. The launch of OpenAI's GPT OSS models didn't just excite developers and researchers, it immediately drew support from the chipmakers powering modern AI. NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang celebrated the release in an official statement. OpenAI showed the world what could be built on NVIDIA AI, and now they're advancing innovation in open source software, Huang said. The GPT OSS models let developers everywhere build on that state-of-the-art open source foundation, strengthening US technology leadership in AI, all on the world's largest AI compute infrastructure. In other words, NVIDIA sees these open models as proof that its full-stack AI platform, from GPUs to CUDA software, can power breakthroughs beyond the cloud. AMD CEO Lisa Su also took to social media to congratulate OpenAI. In a post on X, she wrote, "Congrats Sam Altman and OpenAI on today's launch of GPT OSS. AMD is proud to be a day zero partner enabling these models to run everywhere, across cloud, edge, and clients. The power of open models is clear, and this is a big step forward." Su's message highlights AMD's commitment to open collaboration and signals that AMD's GPUs, like the MI300 and MI400 series, are being tuned to run OpenAI's open source models across devices. Together, these endorsements from Huang and Su underscore that the hardware giants are lining up behind OpenAI's shift toward openness, viewing it as a catalyst for broader adoption of AI and a way to showcase their next-generation chips. Let's switch gears to ElevenLabs. If you don't already know, ElevenLabs is the leader in AI audio by offering natural-sounding text-to-speech and tools like voice cloning, dubbing, voice changing, and speech translation. Their voice technology is by far the best in the industry. On August 5th, ElevenLabs announced Eleven Music, their first AI music generator. According to the press release, it lets users create studio-quality tracks from text prompts in any genre or language, with or without vocals. You can specify tempo, instrumentation, vocal style, and song structure, and then fine-tune sections after generation. The outputs are cleared for use in film, television, podcasts, social media, ads, and games, a crucial difference from competitors like Suno and Udio, which face lawsuits from record labels. Let's talk about what it costs to use Eleven Music and ElevenLabs' other tools. Their pricing is credit-based. One credit typically corresponds to a second of audio generation. They have a variety of plans that range from the limited free plan to the business plan for a whopping $1,320 per month, which gets you 11 million credits. It's worth noting that the free plan requires attribution and forbids commercial use. So if you plan to monetize videos or podcasts, you'll need to upgrade. So how might you use Eleven Music? Here are a few scenarios. If you're a YouTuber, you can craft custom intro and outro music that matches your brand. No need to dig through royalty-free libraries. Podcast producers can generate background music beds and stingers to enrich their episodes. Indie game developers can create dynamic, adaptive soundtracks for their games. Advertising agencies can draft bespoke jingles or background tracks for client ads. Also, the press release hints at Eleven Music Pro, an upcoming model developed with input from Merlin and Kobalt artists. This suggests future tiers may allow distribution to streaming services and more robust commercial rights. As we wrap up, here are my takeaways. The open-source GPT OSS models mark a significant shift toward transparency and democratization. Sam Altman's teaser suggests a major upgrade, whether GPT-5 or another name, this week that could dramatically enhance reasoning and multimodality. Eleven Music demonstrates that AI music generation can be both innovative and legally compliant. A new creative door has just been opened. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Are you excited about open source models? Do you see yourself using AI to compose music? Drop a comment below and join the discussion. Finally, if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future updates. This episode was narrated using ElevenLabs voice cloning technology. If you'd like to try out ElevenLabs yourself, check out my affiliate link in the description. It helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.